Hey everyone, guess the country by the street food. Ready? Let's go. First, the correct answer is A. Japan. This is takoyaki, and fun fact, there's even a takoyaki museum in Osaka. Second, the correct answer is B. Belgium. These are Belgian frites, and fun fact, Belgians eat over 75 kilograms of potatoes per year. Third, the correct answer is A. South Korea. This is tteokbokki, and fun fact, this dish was created in the 1950s. Fourth, the correct answer is C. Peru. These are anticuchos, and fun fact, they're made from grilled beef heart and date back to the Inca times. Fifth, the correct answer is C. Morocco. This is tagine, and fun fact, it's named after the cone-shaped clay pot it's cooked in.